Let's delve into how to create a buy X get Y BOGO offer. We'll start in the BOGO offer setup. Here, select the method type for this discount, choosing between an automatic discount or a discount code. For this demonstration, we'll use the automatic discount and name it Test BOGO. In the Select Product X, choose the products that customers need to purchase to qualify for the offer. If you click on Select, there are options to choose specific products with variants, collections, or tags. For this example, we'll choose the Collections option and select the hydrogen collection for the X product. Specify how many X products need to be in the cart for the customer to qualify for the Y product. If we're running a buy one, get one offer, we'll specify one here. In the Product Y section, click on Select, choose Collections, and select the oxygen collection. In the Y products section, specify how many Y products you want to give away at a discount. For a buy one, get one offer, we'll stick with one. Set the limit for how many sets you want to give away. For example, set a higher limit for a repetitive buy. One get one, buy two get two, and so on. Next, decide the type of discount: a percentage off, a set amount off, or a fixed price. For this example, we'll choose a percentage off and give it away at 100% off. Choose whether the discount applies to the least expensive or the most expensive item first. We'll stick with the least expensive. Set up customer eligibility rules. For example, you can have the offer to be included or excluded for a particular customer tag, same with particular markets. Play around with the language, icons, and text. Adjust the widget display settings and customize the colors and sizes of the text. Once you're satisfied, click Save. If we go to our storefront, we can see the hydrogen collection. On the product page of the hydrogen collection, the widget is visible. Let's say we add one product from the X collection, the hydrogen collection. Now, when viewing the widget, we can claim the products from the Y collection for free. Click on Add to Cart, and our product from the oxygen collection is added to the cart for free. If we add another product, the widget is activated again, and we can add another product from the oxygen collection. That's how to set up a Buy X Get Y offer. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you.